It's a pleasure that I have with me Professor Dr. Dharmesh HS. He's currently the professor at Rajarajeshwari Dental College. He finished his BDS from the Dental College at Hassan under the University of Mysore, and did his MDS from Rajarajeshwari Dental College under RGUHS. A neighbor of mine, a very good friend of mine, a person who is always available for his patients, was really taken care of. So with this small introduction, I take this opportunity to really thank Dr. Dharmesh for joining today's session. Thank you, Dr. Dharmesh.
Good evening, Karthik, and good evening one and all who are present here.
Alright, thank you, doctor. Alright, so how difficult it is for somebody who's finished his BDS, his or her BDS, to join a hospital? Now, what does a hospital look for in a candidate if they want to take him as a doctor?
They usually look for the experience, clinical experience, Karthik. So it's I would suggest if you are looking at working as a clinician, either you have to work with somebody for some time, gain some clinical experience. The reason why I'm telling you have to work under somebody or work with somebody is the college, the curriculum teaches is different than the practice.
Yeah.
The curriculum teaches you how to diagnose, but it will not teach you how to manage the patient. The patient management skill comes by practice. This, which is not taught in any of the schools or the dental colleges, it's entirely a different scenario. The treating a patient in the private setup or treating the patient in the college is entirely different. So I usually tell my students it's very important to have a good communication skill and use your knowledge to make the patient understand, unlike in the college. So it's better to work with somebody and then go ahead and start your practice or join any clinics. Usually what happens is when you go for an interview in the hospital or a clinic, usually the doctors look for these credentials, your communication skills and the clinical skills. These are the two things usually they look for.
Okay, so if somebody wants to work with a specialist, is there any eligibility criteria that you should have completed 2 years? You should be in your third year or fourth year. Is there any specification with respect to the year of BDS?
Usually, Karthik, what happens is you will not find time as a student to join any clinic, because you'll have exhaustive subjects and lot of work. It is not like any other degree. You'll have practical classes, you have theory classes, and you will have theory internals and practical internals continuously. Every once in 3 months, everything will be going on simultaneously. So you'll not find time, frankly speaking, in third year or final year. So usually what happens is once they finish their final year, when they are doing their internship, usually they go approach and they start working with other dentists who are practicing somewhere near to their locality.
So when they're doing their internships, do they get paid some stipend or something, or do they need to pay the senior with whom they are working? How does this work generally?
No. Usually the doctor usually pays to the interns or so-called doctors. Any doctor for that matter, they won't take any fees or anything from the students.
Yeah, so which means it is entirely left to the students' ability to go approach as many doctors as possible to ensure that they gain the required experience. Dr. Dharmesh, it was amazing having you here with us.